Hi, my name is Jamie Schmotzer. I'm an instructor for the Old World Alliance, and in this video I'm going to talk about my sharpening kit. So stay tuned. Alright, let's undo this. My wife made this bag out of oilskin that we got from Panther Primitives. I'm going to unroll this. There we go. There we go. Holds a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you. First of all, I've got two strops on this side. All right. These are from Flex Strops. All right, we've got the black side and the green side. Then we've got a white side and just a leather side. That's the white side. Actually, it looks kind of dark, but I got to put some more white compound on there. And then just the leather side. So those fit in here just perfectly. She made it that way. Now next we've got a slot for a DC4. Now the DC4 is not in here at the moment, but there's a slot for it. Then we've got a slot for a ceramic rod. We've got a slot for a Nagura stone, which I also, behind the Nagura stone, I have from the Whiskey River Trading Company, a stone that I was given by J.C. Messer at Messer Custom Leather. Here we've got a couple files, fit in there very nicely. Here we've got a Lansky puck that I keep inside of a little bag. We've got the Lansky puck. That white stuff is from the Nagura stone. Right, so that'll work for my axe. And moving down the line, this last pouch, I've got just some cloth, and I've got this cool strop touch-up kit from JC at Messer Custom Leather. I've shown this in another video, so if you want to see more about this, check out my video on the touch-up kit by Messer Custom Leather. That's in there, but it does fit nicely here at the end. And if I need to really sharpen a knife, this has got everything I need to do it. So, do you have a kit like this? What do you use to sharpen or hone your knives or axes? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you do, and if you like this short video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested. Thank you very much. There we go.